Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Jennifer Betances Alegre. I'm from the course History of the English Language, and today I'm going to talk about the history of the English language. I will explain its main periods and the key events that shaped it. English has a long history and has changed many times because of different people, different culture, and important events. In this presentation, I will cover Old English, foreign influences, the Norman Conquest, the reestablishment of English, the Middle English period, and the Renaissance, and the Modern English. These periods show how English developed into the language we know nowadays. The first period we have is named Old English. Old English started around the year 450. It came from Germanic tribes, which are the Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes. They came to Britain and brought their language. Old English sounded very different from English that we have nowadays. Many words were short and strong. The grammar was so complex and had many endings to show the roles of words. Some basic words we still use today come from Old English. For example, we have house, mother, water, and friend. Old English is considered the first step of the language. The Norman Conquest. In 1066, William the Conqueror came from Normandy in France and became the King of England. The Normans spoke French, so French became the language of the court, law, and high society. English continued to be spoken, but just by common people. Because of this, English and French lived together for a long time. Many French words entered English, especially in law, food, fashion, and government. Words like judge, court, beef, beauty, and parliament came from French. This event changed English in a very strong way. Reestablishment of English. After the Norman Conquest, English began to grow again. This is called the reestablishment of English. After the year 1200, English slowly returned as the main language. People started to write and use English more in schools and in daily life. In the 1300s, writers like Geoffrey Chaucer made English stronger through literature. The vocabulary grew because English now had many French and Latin words. The grammar also became a little simpler. This period shows that a language can rise again when people use it more and give it a value. The Middle English period and the Renaissance. Middle English lasted from about 1100 to 1500. During this time, English changed its sounds and lost many old word endings. Sentences became easier. English also continued to borrow many words from French and Latin. After 1500s came the Renaissance. a time of learning and discovery. Scholars read Old Greek and Roman texts. Because of this, English received many new Latin and Greek words for science, art, and ideas. English spelling also began to change. William Shakespeare lived in this period and used English in a rich and creative way. This period made English larger and more expressive. And finally, we have the last and the currently period named Modern English. Modern English started around 1500s and continues today. Two important things help it grow. One is the printing press, which made books cheaper and helped fix the spelling of many words. The other one was exploration. English speakers traveled to many places around the world and met new cultures. English borrowed words from many languages around the world. Today, English continues to grow with technology, communication, and global culture. English nowadays is used in business, science, movies, music, and the internet. In conclusion, Old English shows the roots of the language. Foreign influences show how English mixed with other cultures. The Norman conquest brought many French words. The reestablishment of English showed how the language became strong again. The Middle English period and the Renaissance made English bigger and richer. Modern English shows the language we speak nowadays, a language that continues to change. What I understand is that learning this history helps explain why English has words that look familiar to words in other languages, and why the language has changed so much. It also shows that English will continue to change in the future, just like it did in past. This makes English a very interesting and special language to study. Thank you for watching.